how to transfer a project to another account in Lovable. Need to move a project to another account in Lovable. Here's how you can basically do it. So start by logging in into your Lovable account, and then from here head over into the all projects section. And this will take you into your project section. So as you can see, these are the projects that I've recently created with Lovable. So simply select that specific project that you want to transfer into your other account. And here, click on the project title, which you'll basically find at the top left of your screen. Select settings from here, and then into the section, you'd basically find this transfer section. So this would allow you to move this project to a different workspace. So to be able to move this to another account, make sure that that other account has a workspace wherein you and that other account is involved with, to be able to transfer your project into another account. And that is how you can basically transfer a project to another account in Lovable.